Second, I'm going to show you how this guy made over $5, and also this guy made $15, and I'm gonna keep on going to show you guys how people are making money on this website, and all these payments are through PayPal. And I'm gonna also show you in quick way how you can make $180 a day using Google Pictures. This is gonna be crazy, and I'm gonna show you that in just a second. Now let me just show you two more payment proofs. Now you can see all of these people are making payments through PayPal. Now before we start the video, I just want to show you guys to see if you guys already liking this video. So make sure if you guys like this video to like it. Also make sure if you guys have new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification on so you get notified whenever I release a new video. Now without further ado, let's start with the video. And the first website we basically gonna go to is to sign up to up-load.io. Now the signing up is pretty simple. All you have to do is basically enter your username, your email, your password, and then again password, payment proof, which is going to be your PayPal if you have a PayPal, or Payeer, webinar, web money, and Bitcoin, and all of that good payments methods. Now make sure to comment also in the description or in the comment box what payment method do you prefer, so that I can also find new videos or new ways to make money using payment method. And also make sure to also comment where you guys from so that I can make videos based on your region. Now without further ado, the first thing what we need to go is we're gonna search for something like cute dogs. All right, even though I misspelled it. Now you can see that all these dogs are, I said dogs, I meant cute cats. You see people will like this image. Now before we even search for these, all we have to do is we're just gonna go to settings. All right, then we go advanced search, and then we are gonna come into this, and then we are gonna free to use or share even commentary. Now the reason why we're gonna do this because we are going to be using these images, and people will download these images. All right, now we're just gonna download a couple of images in here. I'm gonna download this one because it's cute, and I'm gonna also download this one, and let me take, okay, this is gonna be the last one, and I'm gonna download this one. All right, now if you haven't signed up already, make sure to sign up into this. You just gotta go to upload-load.io. Now as you can see, I'm just here back at my office, and what we're gonna do is basically I'm just gonna show you. You can see I've already have a balance of 120, and I've used already 2 GB of the drive. Now what we have to do is basically, this is also my username. You can also upgrade to a different account where you're gonna be also paying out. And what we have to do, we're just gonna come back, and I'm gonna show you also the tiers, because there are tiers on this website where all you have to do is basically let me just show you the tiers. Is just in here. All right, the tiers basically are, there's 3 tiers, basically 4. The first tier, which is going to be $7. The second is the tier B, which is $5. The C tier, which is also $4, $4. The United States are on the tier A, which is the $7, and Canada. So the top tier, which you gotta be focusing on that. All right, the second tier is going to be $5, which is basically United Kingdom, Australia, France, Germany. And the C tier, which is the $4, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and Russian. And the tier D is $3, which is basically the different countries. All right, now what you have to do is basically we are gonna come to the upload files, because we already downloaded these files, and we are gonna then we are gonna be basically adding this onto the files, and we are gonna upload another one. The file is already have been in here, so we are gonna come to my files again. And what we are going to be doing with this is basically we are going to be changing the price of this. All right, now the way that we're going to do this, we're just going to make it first of all premium, and the price of this is going to be differently. And so whenever someone comes in here, they are going to be able to download this using here. We're going to come back in here, so you can try first to make it basically like that, but you can set it up only for free, like the premium, and then you can also add basically a different price into that whenever people download. All right, now, and then we are gonna come in here, we're gonna upload, because we already had more pictures in here, and we are gonna be uploading this image. And then we are gonna be starting first. Let me just choose the option. Yeah, and then we're gonna be starting uploading this. All right, now this has been uploaded, and then we're gonna come back. All right, and we are going to be uploading the last image that we had. All right, which is, we said 3 images for this, and that's pretty much it. We are done with this. We have downloaded all of this, and then we are going to come back in here. We are going to be changing the price. We are going to be changing the everything that we need to know in order to make money from this. So what we have to do is we're going to click in here, edit file. All right, then we are gonna be making the price $7. The reason why we're making, so that whenever someone may download this, we are gonna be earning $7 from this, and that's pretty much it. So very simple stuff, $7. And the last one, which is this one, we're gonna make it for free, but then they are gonna be able to download it for premium. They have to have a premium account for that. This is another way that you can try. And make sure to also change the name of this. So for me, this one personally is nice. So we're just gonna keep it like this. All right, so right now this is cat, kitten, street, cat, pets, and animals. And very simply, we are done with this, and both of them are in the price of that. Now you can also come back into this and choose as many as you want, because you need to be having more than one image. So you can upload 20 to 30, and then it keeps gradually be going up and up every single time. And that's pretty much it. Now if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, and also make sure to like this video. And that's it for this video, and we are going to be doing tons of giveaways in the future. So make sure to stay subscribed, and also turn the notification on, and make sure to also click that link in my description, so that you're going to be learning how to make full-time income online, and also my $10,000 per month affiliate marketing. The link for that is in my description, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.